Hi, I will show you how to transfer USDT from Bybit to KCEX using the BIC Binance Merchant Network in this video. Before we begin, let me emphasize that KCEX is the cryptocurrency exchange with the lowest transaction fees globally and offers a no KYC process. This makes it incredibly inconvenient and secure for users. And now here is some exciting news. Register through the provided link and you can claim 300 USDT for free. It is an amazing offer exclusively for new KCEX users. Don't miss out on this opportunity. So first, visit Bybit account and log into your account. On the homepage, hover your mouse to your profile and select withdraw. For the coin, choose USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. And then select BIC Binance Merchant, also known as BP20 as the network. Why BIC? Because it ensures the transaction fee is zero, completely free. Then open the KCEX website and navigate to wallets, claim deposit. Select USDT and ensure you choose BIC Binance Merchant as the network. Copy the deposit address provided by KCEX, return to Bybit, and paste the KCEX deposit address into the wallet address field. Double check that the selected network is BIC to ensure compatibility. Input the USDT you want to transfer. I will use all here, and then confirm the details and click confirm to process the withdrawal. Click submit and just finish security verification. Once the transaction is processed, your USDT will appear in your KCEX wallet. And did you know depositing 500 USDT or more allows you to activate KCEX flexible savings features, earning 5% passive income while keeping your funds accessible? Here is how to activate it. So stay in wallets, you will find flexible saving. Click on it, tick the box and click enable flexible savings. Confirm your selection and you are all set. USDT will start earning risk-free returns while staying accessible. A great way to close your funds effortlessly. And KCEX doesn't charge any fees for withdrawing cryptocurrencies. An incredible user experience. Here is how to withdraw. Stay in wallets, click withdraw, and select cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, for example USDT, and just enter the withdrawal address. Cover the details, and you are done. With KCEX, you can enjoy completely free withdrawal, making it the most cost-effective crypto exchange globally. So to wrap up, let me remind you that KCEX is the cheapest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. It offers no transaction fees and no KYC process. It is secure, user-friendly, and ideal for all your trading needs. Register today, claim your 300 USDT, and enjoy the benefits of the world's most cost-effective exchange. Whether or not you already use these cryptocurrency exchanges, I highly recommend signing up through the links in the video description using the invitation codes or scanning the QR codes on the screen to register. By registering using the links below the video, you will be able to access the lowest cryptocurrency transaction fees globally. Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, offers a spot trading fee of just 0.065% when you register through the link. Limit orders are charged 0.013% for future tradings and market orders at 0.0325%. Bitget is currently ranked among the top 4 global cryptocurrency exchanges. Registering with the link will give you a 50% discount on fees. Spot trading fees on Bitget are just 0.05%, while future trading fees are 0.01% for limit orders and 0.03% for market orders. KCEX is the exchange with the lowest fees globally, allowing you to trade without needing KYC and without network or VPN restriction. By signing up through the link, spot trading is completely free. You heard that right. Limit orders are also free for futures tradings, and market orders only cost 0.009% in fees after registering with my link. Bybit is ranked so worldwide and offers a spot trading fees of 0.06% when you use the link to register. Limit orders cost 0.012% for future tradings, and market orders cost 0.033%. KCEX, the 5th largest cryptocurrency exchange globally, charges just 0.064% for limit orders and 0.08% for market orders on spot trades when you register via the link. Futures trading fee are 0.016% for limit orders and 0.04% for market orders. Don't just focus on the transaction fees. Registering through these links give you access to the lowest fees globally. This can save you a significant amount of money, indirectly boosting your profits, an extremely important advantage for all of us. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.